This is the first time in many, many months that I have a delivery. I didn't get much from Sephora because in keeping basically with what I had said, I'm essentially on austerity, so it's only what I need, or perhaps an occasional little thing, but I really did not get much from the Sephora sale. But I will show you what I did get. And I did replace my Laura Mercier, which looks small and is scaring me a little bit because it looks a lot smaller than what I have. Let's see. Oh, it is 1.7 ounces. Wow. Son of a gun. I hoped it was not smaller because it is pricey. The regular price on it, well, it doesn't say the price on here, but I think the regular price on this is like $42. I did get it on sale during the sale. Duh. Talk about redundant. No, this is a smaller. I think it's a smaller tube. It's definitely a different tube. Color looks like a darker color, though the name of the color is the same. Well, I hope it's the right thing. I really do. Now, the actual packaging is the same size. It's just different. They've changed it. But then again, I bought it quite a while ago. So it is still 1.7 fluid ounces. And the color is still blush. And here we go again. Right back. So that is the first thing that I got there. I also did buy some things from Ulta, and when they come, I will let you know. The Ulta sale, of course, is a better sale because it was 20% off. I also I was dying to try this, the Urban Decay Vice lipstick. I have seen people talk about it and loving it on YouTube, so I wanted to try it for myself. And this is what it looks like. She said hopefully as she tried to open it. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. So we shall see. I mean, right now I've got my pink lipstick on, so it's not going to work, but I will try it tomorrow. So that is my Vice lipstick, and the shade I got was Trick. The metallized Trick. So I will let you know how that works out when I do try it. And the only other thing that I did buy is the Sephora Favorites Selfie Kit. And that includes the Tartist. Well, why don't I open it? This is it. And it is actually closed down here. So let me open this. This is what it is. It has the, oh Lord, here we go again with these crazy, the Anastasia Beverly Hills something lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Okay. This color, it looks like a kind of brownie. Put this down for a minute. It's kind of, sorry about that. It's kind of a brownie nude color. So let me see what that looks like. Well, that's nice. It's very, very smooth. So I'll be curious to try that. Has a matte look, I think. Hasn't dried down yet, so I don't know for sure. It also includes the Becca Opal Shimmering Skin Perfector what is that? Pressed, I don't know. It's opal. And this is what it looks like. So it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. And let us take a look and see how that is. Oh, it feels really smooth. Oh, nice. That's nice. Can you see it? There you go. It's got a nice bit of shimmer. So I'm going to try that tomorrow as well. It has Milk Makeup, Blur Stick, and this is that. So that looks interesting. I'll give that a try as well. It has the Tartist pencil, and that is the nice black pencil on one end. And let's see what the other end is. Is it just a different thickness? Oh, that is for the liquid line, I'm guessing. Super. Oh, I like that. So that should be good. And it has Marc Jacobs, and this is why I ordered it, because it has the Marc Jacobs Noir mascara, and we know that I love that. This is the Velvet Noir, the Major Volume Mascara. So I have that, and one more item came in the box, and that is Stellar Glow 2, and let's see. I'm trying to open it. Okay, it's sealed, but it's a powder, so I'll give that a try as well with it. But I think it was a nice kind of little option, you know, to kind of try things without breaking the bank. And right at the moment, that's important because there's no bank to break. So I'm happy that I tried this. And let's take a look and see how it all works out tomorrow. And I will say that what I got with it, by the way, the delivery on this was incredibly quick. So that was a nice thing. I'm not quite sure how to get this back in the box. I also got some samples with it. And the samples are, I have the Caudalie Premier, what is this? This is eye cream. So I'll try it, but as you know, I'm in love with my eye cream, so I'm perfectly happy with what I have. I also got the Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette to try, and I got Miss Dior to try. So I will do all of that, and I will report back to you on just how that worked out. But that was really fun because it's been quite a while since I've gotten any kind of a haul whatsoever, and I am very excited to have something to share with you. So we're going to take it from there, and I will be back. The next video I'm creating should be the one about the hairstyling. That will be tomorrow. So welcome back then, and I will see you soon. This was exciting for me. Take care.